Let's divide 446 by 2. Hey Math Explorers, if you're having fun learning with me, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. Alright, let's start dividing 446 by 2. We look at the first digit of 446, which is 4. We'll use this digit for our first step. How many times does 2 fit into 4? It fits 2 times. Let's check. 2 times 2 is 4. Perfect. Now we subtract 4 from 4, which leaves us with 0. No remainder here. Awesome job. You're doing fantastic. We've got the first digit of our answer. Let's move on to the next digit. Now for the next digit, we bring down the next 4 from 446. Our new number to divide is 4. We're using one digit this time. How many times does 2 go into 4? You guessed it, 2 times. Let's multiply. 2 times 2 equals 4, exactly right. Subtract 4 from 4, we get 0. Another 0 remainder. You're on a roll. Keep up the amazing work. We're getting closer to the end. Let's tackle the last digit. Last step, we bring down the final digit, 6. Our last number to divide is 6. We're using just this one digit. How many times does 2 fit into 6? It's 3 times. Check our work. 2 times 3 equals 6. Perfect match. Subtract 6 from 6 and we get 0. Our final remainder is 0. Hooray, you did it. You solved the last step. We've divided all the digits. We're all done. We found that 446 divided by 2 is 233. Great job, everyone. We successfully divided 446 by 2 using long division. Remember, breaking down big problems into smaller steps makes them super manageable. That's all for today. Keep practicing, stay curious, and check out more fun math videos on Let's Stud.